Hello everyone, this is Success Infotech. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can link your mobile device to your Windows 11 PC. Okay, the PC can be a laptop or a desktop, and the mobile device can be Android or iPhone. So in that case, you can make calls and receive calls on your laptop or your desktop. You can view your messages and send SMS as well on your laptop or your desktop. You can go to your settings, view your videos, your pictures whilst your phone is away. So you can do everything on your laptop like you are doing on your phone. But before we go to the tutorial, if this is your first time visiting my channel, please do well to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell notification icon. So that anytime we drop a video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. Without wasting my time, let's go straight to the tutorial. So to link your mobile device to your Windows 11 PC, you first have to download the QR code scanner and then create a Microsoft account or a Hotmail account, okay, which I've already done that. So I'll click on start, then I'll type phone link. Okay, so I have it here and I'll click on that. So you can use your mobile device from your PC as I explained earlier. You can make and take calls. You can keep up with your conversations like your SMS or text messages. You can view mobile notifications on your PC, okay, like you are doing on your phone. So whilst your phone is away, you can do all those things on your PC, okay, and can do that on your iPhone and Android phone. In my case, I'm going to go with the Android because that's what I'm using currently. So I'll click on the Android phone. So from here, I've linked the device before. So I'm going to go over again, then I'll show you how to do that. Okay. So I'll click on add another device. So I now have the QR code. So if you've already downloaded the QR code scanner, you have to scan this QR code. So you can continue manually without the QR code. Okay. You can use your Hotmail account as I explained. So I'm going to scan this QR code and then we proceed. So I'll bring my phone and then we will scan the QR code. So let me open my QR code scanner, which I've installed already. And then I'll scan this QR code. Okay, so immediately it has given me a link to install the application that will be needed for the linkage. So I'll tap on open on my phone. And then it will take, okay, it has taken me to Play Store to install the link to Windows application. So I'll tap on install. Now it's installing the application that will be needed for the linkage on the phone. Okay. So after you've linked your mobile device to your Windows 11 PC, you can receive and then make calls and then you send your SMS. You can receive your SMS. You can view your pictures, your photos, your settings like you're doing on your phone. Okay, so it kind of make life a bit easier. Okay, so supposing your phone is not with you and you're working on your machine and you need to receive or pick a call, you can do that on your laptop or your desktop without you need have to rush to pick your phone. You can do that on your laptop or your desktop. So it's good to link your phone to your PC. Okay, so it's downloading. When it's done downloading, it will install the application for us to proceed. So let's wait for it to download it to finish just now. So it's now installing the application. It has finished downloading. Okay, so the installation is done. So I'll type on continue and then we proceed with the process. Then I'll tap on continue again. Okay, so it's asking me to enter this code, okay, to confirm. So I'll quickly type the code. So so S6HZ96. then I'll continue. So I need to enter my Google account password, no, my Hotmail account, okay, or my Microsoft account password, and then we proceed. Okay, so I'm done entering the password for my Hotmail account or my Microsoft account, okay. So I'll sign in. So let me sign in here on my phone. Okay, let me bring it here a bit. Okay, so I'll allow or allow. So it's connecting to the device. So done. So give us a moment. Okay, so it's preparing the interface. Okay, so I'll click on continue. So ping phone link to your taskbar. So you can ping me to your taskbar, and then anytime you need it, you can quickly go and grab it. So I'll get started. Okay, yes, let me ping it to the taskbar. Okay, so I have it on my taskbar. So you see, you can send your text messages, you can view my photos, you can make calls. So let me use this, and then you see what happens next. So get started. So it's connecting your mobile device and the PC. Okay, so we have to turn on the Bluetooth on our mobile device. Okay, so I've done that. I've turned on the Bluetooth on my mobile device. So let me show you. Okay, I've turned on the Bluetooth to my mobile device. So I'll do that again, and then we see what happens. Okay, so now you see it has given me all my call logs. Okay, so these are all my call logs. Okay, these are all my call logs. Okay, you can use it to make calls as well. Okay, so these are all my call logs. These are my photos. You can view your photos. These are my photos. These are, you see, so you can send your messages as well. Okay, so as I explained to you, you can make calls. These are my call logs. So if your phone is not with you and you're working on your laptop and you need to pick a call, you can do that on your laptop or your desktop. Okay, so it's very helpful. You can view your photos and everything here. Okay, I can view my photos. You see, can view your photos. Thank you for watching. Please, if you find this video more of a value, kindly subscribe to the channel and then like the video and then share for others to watch. And please do well to click on the bell notification icon so that anytime we drop a video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. Thank you.